Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY that I want to share with everyone. First I got this wooden plaque. They had like different wooden plaques, but I got the dog paw from the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up these acrylic paints. You have to get acrylic to do wood crafts. So I picked up this acrylic paint, multi-purpose, non-toxic, water soluble, in the color violets. And then I also got honey rose. And then also from the Dollar Tree I got this little paint thing. Either need to try to clean it up or I'm get a new one, but I got that. And then these are from the Dollar Tree, paintbrushes. They're from the Dollar Tree, so everything's from the Dollar Tree. So what I did was first of all, I originally painted this part in this color, but I messed up, so I mixed the violet and this, and it came out to this color, so I used it, and then I painted it just the purple, and then I used the purple for each of my dogs and put their names underneath in a permanent marker. This is my little Skippy, Winnie, Tippy, and Frankie. You can see how different each paw is. So I just thought this, wanted to come on here and share this with you guys. And it's got a little thing where you can hang it up, or about these little stickies you can put on the wall. Let me put on the back from the Dollar Tree. But that is my DIY. I wanted to come on here and share that with you. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye guys.